Removing the background from an image can be a time-consuming task, but with the help of AI, this process has become much easier. In this video, we will show you how to remove the background from your photo for free with an AI.bg remover. Section 1. How AI.bg remover works to remove photo background. The AI tool uses a complex algorithm that can identify the objects in an image and separate them from the background. The algorithm is trained on millions of images, making it highly accurate and effective in removing the background. Section 2. How to choose the right AI background remover for your images. To remove the background of furry images, we recommend removal.ai. To remove photos with a similar color of background, choose remove.bg. We will introduce them with details in one of the future videos. Section 3. Step-by-step guide on how to remove background from photo with AI remover. Step 1. Select the image to be edited. You can choose an image from your computer or drag and drop a photo to the page. Then wait for it to be processed. Step 2. Adjust the photo if needed. If the photo removed what you needed, like this, you can use the Restore feature to get that part back. Here you can adjust the brush size before restoring the small parts. When you find the background not removed completely, you can use the Erase feature to remove unwanted parts. You can also make some changes on brightness, noise, text, shadow, etc. And sometimes there's other backgrounds provided, you can choose one to use. Step 3. Download the edited image. Once you're satisfied with the background removal, download the edited image to your computer. Usually the free version is limited in image resolution, and images will be automatically saved in PNG. Section 4. Benefits of using an AI background remover for removing photo background. Firstly, using AI.bg remover saves much time as compared to manual editing. Secondly, it is cost-effective as you don't have to pay for a professional photo editor. Lastly and importantly, the AI background remover is very easy to use. You can try out an AI tool for removing photo backgrounds and you will enjoy the benefits of its easy operation and fast processing speed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel.